Yod, hey, wow, hey. The name of our Creator family consists of 3 verbs. Check this out. The letter hey that we see in blue represents Hayah, which means he was. The Hebrew letters hey and wow that we see in purple represents Howe, which means he is. Yod that we see in red represents yhvh, which means he will be. The past, the present, and the future. Hayah, Howe, yeah. He was, he is, he will be. All glory to Yah. Hayah, Howe, yeah. He was, he is, he will be. Yod Hey Wow Hey, the name of God.